Brian Oxman is an attorney for the Jackson family. He joins us from the UCLA Medical Center, where he spent a good portion of this day. Good evening, sir.
Hello, Harry. How are you? It is a very sad day for me here. I am heartbroken.
What was it like to be with members of Michael's family today?
I got a call just a little bit before noon that Michael had been taken from the hospital by Randy's assistant, who gave me that call. And I then came over here, talked to Randy. I said, "Randy, what's happened?" He says, "I don't know, Brian. I'll meet you at the medical center." We got here, and when I saw him, we just hugged, Harry. We could not even speak to one another. The tears were streaming down his face. He went into the next room with his family. Jermaine then arrived, and we couldn't even talk. We just hugged, we stood there, we cried, and I am heartbroken.
His medical condition. We have talked to people who have been with him in the last couple of days. There were no overt signs that he was in any distress, but you have been suspicious of his health for some time. In what way?
I have warned that one day Michael Jackson would wake up dead, and that I would not be silent if that was the case because of the misuse of medications. I have made that statement to family members, and I told them I would not be still. I do not know what the cause of his death is, and we cannot speculate. We're going to have to await the results of the autopsy report and the toxicology tests. People often die for very strange reasons, congenital malformations. We just don't know. But I have warned of the use of prescription medications and people who have enabled the use of those medications, and I have told them I will not be silenced if that is what the reason is that Michael Jackson would expire. I repeat, I don't know what the reason is, but I am going to wait, and if it is as I fear, I'm going to be very vocal.
You believe then, or at least suspect, that he was over-medicated. Might he have been abusing prescription medicine?
I have warned of that fact. I do not know how much he has taken. I don't know what his current situation within the past couple weeks, but over the last several years, I have said to family members that he is over-medicated, and when Anna Nicole Smith passed away, I said one day, if we have this kind of a circumstance where we too have to face this kind of tragedy, I would not be silent.
Brian Oxman, we thank you so much for sharing your story with us tonight.